Hello everyone, hope you're well. I'm here today to film an Asos haul. I know I shouldn't be buying, that is totally a thing, and I've been really good in all of April, but May has just come about and I'm like, okay, I really want some pretty summer dresses, and Asos actually had some really cute stuff. So I have my box. I've got the jankiest little bathroom scissors to open this with. And I think I actually chose things with quite a lot of colour, which is quite nice. These are all very comfortable things. I'm not going to be keeping all this stuff. It's just basically to see what I like. But a lot of it is like comfy clothes. I've literally been living in workout clothes. I think this is the first time in 4 weeks that I'm wearing a pair of jeans. And for me, who I live in jeans, actually that's a lie because I wear black jeans to work, but I mean like blue jeans. So here we go. Sweatshirts is another thing that I've been wearing loads, and I fell in love with this because it's not your average sporty, not so nice sweatshirt. It's really sweet. The only thing is I don't know if I like the material. Okay, so it's this little sunset sweatshirt and I love the pink color. I think it's just really pretty. I'm not doing tan at the moment, so I feel like anything to brighten my face is very much needed. And I like this. I think if you washed it more it would be softer, but I think it's from a vintage brand and it's called Reclaimed Vintage, and I got it in a medium. Then we have this, and the reason I liked this was because it's not so Nike in your face. It is still Nike, but it's very non-Nike in my opinion, and it's a little crop top. I feel like my sister would love this, but maybe not the colors. It's a little crop top, again great for, I'm going on a lot of walks, and it's just a little bit different than your average like sportswear. Looks a little bit weathered, and I really like the Nike logo. I got a few years ago from, I think it was Asos, a cap that is Nike or Nike, and it looks vintage or like washed, and I literally wear it all the time now, and I think this would look really cute with it. Another thing that I've been living in at the moment is shirt dresses, because sometimes it's too hot to wear like joggers. It has been really warm at the moment, and I also really like sleeping in them. This one is from Bershka, which I always really like Bershka and Stradivarius and stuff, and it's just a green t-shirt dress. I really like the material. It's a very soft jersey cotton, and I just thought it'd be great to sleep in. I literally love stuff like this. Nothing really much to say. I don't think it was very expensive, and I love the color as well. Again, that kind of lifting color, especially when you're doing no makeup days. We come on to another t-shirt, because something else that I'm living in at the moment, as I'm sure a lot of you guys are. And the color of this was what stood out to me, but I'm kind of, oh no, I like the material. I was a little bit worried about the material. I thought it was going to be scratchy, but it's very soft. The only thing is it might be a bit sheer. I don't know, do you think it would wash me out? I think it would look good with the color jeans that I always wear as well, like a nice blue wash. Really comfy, great for summer, would look nice with a lace bralette if you get to wear them too. I also saw this and I kept wanting to buy it, but it was always sold out, and this I'm definitely keeping because the whole reason was that I wanted to get it for the purposes of charity. I'm not really one to do stuff like that, but I just feel like I wanted to do my own little bit. And I got one of the Heroes t-shirts from Asos. So it just says Heroes on the front, and it's got a lovely heart at the back. And I just felt like I had to support, obviously being sort of NHS frontline-ish. And I got it in a size medium. I do think they're unisex t-shirts, and they also do a sweatshirt, so I'll be sure to link them down below. That link will not be affiliate. Once I sort of wear this, maybe in 10 years, and I have it as like my sleeping t-shirt, and I look back and I think, oh my god, what did we go through? But I feel like it's one of those t-shirts that the more you wash it, the softer it will get. I think it was about 20 or so pounds. More comfy clothes. I feel like I really wanted one of these. I feel like my sister has stolen all of my granddad shirts, like my plaid shirts, and I need one in my life because there is nothing I love more than just chucking one on with like jeans, or you can wear these with leggings, but I don't actually know if I like this. I think this maybe like even with the outfit that I'm wearing now, like with a big t-shirt and then this on top, I think this is very much old Barbara uni days vibes. But I think it's just because obviously the sort of situation we're in now, I'm loving comfy clothes. But I do actually like the check print of this. I think it's a really nice check. And I got this in a size 10. I definitely could have done smaller. I think that's why I'm probably not loving it, but I do like the look of it. I can't remember what this is. This happens a lot. To be honest, I did order this a while ago. Let's have a look. Oh, I do remember. This is, it looked really good on the model. I will just put the picture of the model here. It's like a sheer shirt thing. This would look really cool with just like a bra. Again, if you can do like a sexy triangle bra or bralette thing underneath, but it is sheer. You can't really tell right now. I think the model's picture will do it justice. If it's too sheer on me, I'm probably not gonna try this on, just for camera purposes. But yeah, I really liked the look of this, and I think I got it in a size 10. Yeah, I find Asos to be really true to size. So if you're someone that struggles, I'm normally a true size 10, and I normally get everything in Asos own brand in their true sizing, which is quite nice. I really liked this, but I think this might be a bit too summery. Let's just give it a go. I really liked it on the model, and I love anything off the shoulder. I just find it really flattering. I think whatever sort of shape you are, I feel like it flatters every single person. The only thing is I sometimes struggle with bras. But oh my god, this is so cute. It does look a bit like something I would have worn when I was little though. It's just a really sweet, I can imagine this would look great for holiday, obviously, if we ever get to go on them again. But oh my god, look at this colour. And I would actually do big turquoise earrings to kind of clash with the orange. I always find that clashing colours that you wouldn't think would go together actually really works. I really like this. I hope this looks nice. And especially for really warm days, if you even just want to look cute around the house for right now. I think this is another dress or a top. You'll see the ditzy pattern theme. Oh, this was cool. I liked this. This is from Misguided. It's another one of those sweetheart dresses. Again, great for now because it's so comfy. You still want to look kind of cute and put together, but it's very, very comfortable. This has longer sleeves, and I actually really like the billowing sleeves, and the bottom of it has like a bit of a frill. These are really, really flattering. You can eat all you like when you're wearing something like this. I then treated myself to something. This I know I'm gonna keep. I have some Superga trainers, but they are completely ruined. I wore them on holiday last year, and they have fake tan on them. They have I don't know, whatever from the beach on them. I wore them all of my holiday. I just couldn't remember for the life of me, because I will tell you guys now, Superga runs really weird in sizing. They either run really small, I think it is they run really small, but if you guys haven't watched my video where I show you guys all my family pictures, my mum wears these trainers all the time, and I felt like I just wanted them again in the summer. This is what they are, and I just got the white. They do look good beaten up, but mine are like really beaten up. Okay, maybe these look a little bit big. So this is them, and anyone who has like parents who were around in the 80s, you'll be sure to know what Superga is. They do them in so many different colors, and I just feel like they look great. So nostalgic. I don't actually like them when they look fresh like this. I definitely will want to wear them in, but they're really comfortable. They're just a really good plimsoll, and yeah, I really do recommend them. I actually do think they look a little bit big. And these are the 2750, because there are different sizes. I think these are the slightly thinner ones. They definitely come in platforms and things like that. These I'm really excited about. I love jeans, as we know, and when I do start wearing them again finally, I thought these were really cool. I also think these might look good with that t-shirt that I chose, the oatmeal colour. These are a pair of, I haven't heard of this brand, but that sweatshirt that I first showed is from it. It's Reclaimed Vintage again, and I'm guessing it's just like some vintage jeans that have been redone, and they're in like a, can you guys see, like a creamy, almost the color of the box but lighter color, like an oatmeal. I do think these sometimes do make you look a bit bigger though, so my bottom half is my sort of non-preferred side to highlight, but I do remember having a pair from Topshop and I did like them, so whether or not these fit, let's see. This is another dress. I can't remember exactly what this is like, but I think it was a little bit more expensive. But I loved the color of this. This is so up my street. Actually, no, I don't think it was expensive. Okay, the lining of it just fell out, but oh my god, this is gorgeous. This is still Asos brand. This is so beautiful. Oh my god, I love this. You could even wear this as a beach cover up. So it has an insert which just fell out. I hate these little things. I think they're so badly made in any dress that you get. They're just so cheapy. I might even just be able to get a nude one. I think that would look quite cool. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It's got an open V at the front. It's got these gorgeous sleeves, and you can kind of tell the style of dress that I'm into at the moment. But again, a really good earring. I've got these huge hoop earrings that I got from Mango that I will put on the screen now, and I think this would look really good with them. And then lastly, but by no means least, I totally fell in love with this dress, and I will be very upset if this doesn't look good on me. I feel like the Sheer Luxe girls would love this. Yeah, I feel like they'd really like this. So it's a very, very, very low V front. Whether or not I can pull that off, we shall have to see. I will put again a picture of the model because it's just a little bit hard to show you guys on here, but it's got those tie sleeves again that you can kind of make poofy, and it goes down into a gorgeous, gorgeous like pattern. But Asos is doing so many of these, and I think they're really comfortable when it's really hot especially, and you don't necessarily want to wear a short dress. I think things like this are great, but I don't know if I can pull it off. I don't know what I would do in terms of bra situation. So I don't know whether or not this is actually going to work on me, which is a bit frustrating, but I'll try it on nonetheless. So guys, that is it for my Asos haul. As I said, I will not be keeping all of this. It was just more of like a boredom panic buy and just wanting summer clothes really. I hope you're all doing really well. I know everyone's really finding it hard, but let's all try and stay positive, and I hope you guys are enjoying the videos that I'm putting out. And I know a lot of you guys have been messaging me telling me that my videos are not going in your sub boxes. The only way that you can make sure that that doesn't happen is if you turn on the notification bell. I am not one person to like tell people subscribe, 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 but I have a lot of people messaging me telling me that my videos, you know, they're not seeing them, so definitely do that. I will see you all very soon. Take care guys. Bye.